I pulled up to the trailhead just as the first light touched the horizon, deep indigo giving way to hints of orange and gold.
Guys, this is so freaking crazy!
The southeast ridge of Pennsylvania Mountain rises quickly, and so did I. Feet crunching along the rocky path, the air crisp and still. There's something special about hiking at this hour. The world is quiet, like it's holding its breath. Even just a few steps in, the views begin to open up. The ridgeline glowed with the promise of sunrise behind me, casting long shadows across the tundra. I didn't need a headlamp, just my breath, my legs, and a sense of wonder. Clocking in at just under 6 miles round trip with 1,600 feet of elevation gain, the trail doesn't hold back. The elevation climbed steadily, and with every step upward, the sky put on a bigger show. Once I passed above the tree line, the full panorama revealed itself. The Mosquito Range and Mount Silverheels in the distance, and the light, golden and growing, washing over the landscape like a quiet fire. I passed old mining remnants, weathered wood, rusted iron, reminders of the grit that once carved paths through these peaks. Now they stand as silent witnesses to the sunrise and to hikers like me, chasing peace above 13,000 feet.
Not quite at the peak yet, at one of the many full summits, but God, this is so worth it and so incredible. Oh, I am so blessed. Home stretch for the summit. Here we go.
Reaching the summit, 13,006 feet, the sun was fully up.
Made it! I'm so happy.
The whole ridge bathed in morning light, every peak, every valley glowing. It was quiet, well, minus the wind anyways, so very loud for the wind, but it was still and it was perfect. Moments like this aren't just about getting to the top. They're about what the trail gives you along the way, the perspective, the presence, and the feeling that for a few sacred minutes you're exactly where you're meant to be. Pennsylvania Mountain at sunrise, not just a hike, an awakening. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow along for more solo and couple adventures, trail stories, and quiet moments in wild places. I'll see you on the trail.